Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how you can make your TextNow account anonymous. So you have your anonymous Gmail that you're using. So I'll show you how to make an anonymous Gmail in a future video. But you have this Gmail and you're going to go to TextNow. And then you're going to go to sign up free. Now, right now I have an account made. This is a test account. But like I said, this only works on Firefox and certain browsers. It will not work with Edge, signing in with Google. So if you want to sign in with Google, like I have here, it's a very simple process. When you sign up, you're going to sign up with your Google account and then select whatever area code you want. Then the next thing you want to do to make it anonymous is you're going to go into settings here. And you're going to say first name, you're going to change your email. There you go. That's the name that I have selected. And then email, you can change this to whatever you want. That's the one that I have selected. That's the anonymous Gmail. Now you have this set up, and in order for the app to work, you're going to click save. All right, now your name that shows up on calling won't be this username you have here. It'll be the first name and the last name here you have put. Then you're going to go to password. You're going to type in whatever password you used before. I think what I used last time, or whatever password is on your Gmail account. Then you're going to go here and you're going to type in whatever password you want. So I'm going to put in something random. Now you have TextNow account. Now if you go to close, your name shows up. It's whatever you want it to be, and then you have the number here. Like I said before, TextNow only allows you to log in with Google on certain browsers. It does not work with Edge. So now you have this here. You download the app, and you can sign in with the password and the email that you have set. That is how you get it to work in the app form. You have to set up a password through the settings. Let's do it again. Settings, security and login. Settings. Then you're going to go to password. Type in whatever password you have for your Gmail. And then a new password. And now you can log in through the desktop using regular credentials and not going through the Gmail, which does not work on the desktop. So there you go. That's how you do it. Hope you enjoyed this. This is good for scambaiting and anything else you need to do with an anonymous phone number. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.